Hi, welcome to 5 Furnace Court. We're in Thurmont, Maryland in the subdivision of Gateway, and we have today this gorgeous 4-bedroom, 3 full bath split level, and it's just immaculate. Built by Dan Ryan Builders and outside of in the neighborhood of Thurmont, and Thurmont's about 20 minutes north of Frederick. In northern Frederick County, we have close proximity to the Catoctin Mountains for any kind of hiking and outdoor activities. We also have a lot of activities within Thurmont here. We're within walking distance to schools, to the elementary and primary schools here in Thurmont. Nice, quiet neighborhood with a couple of different playground, basketball courts, and those type of amenities. So let's go inside and see how the inside of this house looks today. So we're inside now, and so this is a split foyer. Like I mentioned, 4-bedroom, 3 full bath. So we've got 3 full bedrooms upstairs, 1 full bedroom downstairs, 2 full baths up, 1 full bath down. So when you come in the entryway, you see they just had brand new carpeting laid on the stairs here. Solid hardwood floor through here, which is original, just shines, really gleaming, in excellent condition. So as you come up the stairs, you come into what the current owners are using as a formal dining room, but you'll often see in these split levels, they're used as their family room. Has cable TV, of course, running here, Comcast, and that's already here. Nice ceiling fan, so you can use this as a family. It's a multi-purpose room. Dining room could be your family room. And then from here, you flow down into your bedroom area, and we'll go down there in just a minute and explore those a little bit. But then it also runs into your country kitchen, which is a lot of extra space in here. Eat-in kitchen. They've got a nice table in the corner there. Plenty of room for a rectangular table if you wanted that. Extra eating space here at the counter. They actually had 4 chairs around here originally. So this was a change that they made in the house when they did some updating. Corian counters. Solid wood cabinets, washer, dishwasher, stove, and everything, of course. A little bit of fresh air over the sink. They updated their fixtures in here. And of course your fridge. So you've got lots of counters or a cabinet space in here. Plenty of cabinet space to put everything that you need. Pergo floors in the kitchen area. And they also have the pergo down in the lower level too. And then it goes out to your deck areas, which are gorgeous. We'll go see those in a little bit. So down into the bedroom area, well, hardwood, of course, runs down through here. This is your guest room, extra bedrooms, full bath. Gorgeous bathroom, full ceramic tile run to the ceiling all throughout the entire bath. You actually have this skylight. That's a skylight that was a feature put in by the homeowner. It runs up into the attic. It's a skylight, so you have that natural light in here all the time. Nice updated fixtures on your lamps and everything, and then a tub with a glass door on the shower. Ceramic on the floor also. It's a good size for a second bathroom up here. This is one of the guest bedrooms. Neutral colors, nice carpeting, not a lot of wear on this carpet at all. And then a good size closet, and it has some built-ins in the closet here for some shoes and some extra things. This bedroom's off the front of the house. And then we have the extra bedroom over here, also on the front of the house. It's a nice breeze coming in today. Neutral colors, same thing, carpet's in excellent condition. Ceiling fans are in most of the rooms. And then your master bedroom is here. Good sized master bedroom. This is on the back of the house. Cathedral ceilings in this room. Walk-in closet in here. Good walk-in closet, lighting. And then you've got a full bath off your master. Also ceramic tile. This is something they updated, ceramic tile run up to the ceiling area. Shower feature in here, so you don't have a tub in here, shower feature, which is what most people are going to use in their master bath. And that's your living level. That's your living level on for 5 furnace courts. So we'll go down to the lower level and then we'll go outside. Now we're in the lower level. Fully finished, apart from a washer dryer area. On this you have entry from the garage. You've got a single car garage at this house. Plus you have in the driveway, you've got about, it's deep enough for probably 2, maybe 3 additional cars in the driveway. But you can enter through the garage here. New garage door opener and door were put on recently. They're new. So as you come down here, you come down to some of the original hardwood through this area, and then the rest is all pergo. Storage closet here. Just any kind of extra storage that you want. That's got hardwood run throughout that. And then this little hallway here goes off to a couple different areas. This is a full bath, okay, with a shower feature. Ceramic tile all the way up. They upgraded the vanity and everything in the hardware. I love the little blue ocean tiles they put in to add a little splash of color in here. And then you have storage in here. In here we have the washer, dryer, laundry area. So this is the only area of the basement that's not finished, is in here. Front load washer and dryer, and extra storage back in here. There's some storage back in that area too. And then as we go out here, we go into this is an extra room. They kind of had some exercise equipment here. We're on the front of the house on this side. Everything here on this particular house is above grade. You don't have any below grade square footage. It's all above grade. This is your 4th bedroom. Down here was used for an office, but they raised their young daughter here. It was her bedroom. So you've got your full bath right over there to accommodate this bedroom. Lots of, closet space in here too. Nice and bright. There's some built-in storage in there. It's a bright basement. You've got room. The windows, it really adds a lot of light in here. And then over here, so that leads out in here to the family room, which is a good size room. Neutral colors again through here. Nice big pieces of furniture, so you can fit a lot here. They've got a large TV in here. Had some baseboard heaters installed initially after they built because they weren't sure if it was going to be warm enough down here. She said they've never used them. So it's an additional heat source if you need it. She said they've never had to use it down here. So it stays fairly good temperature. Some recessed lighting, and then it leads out to your deck area off your slider there. It leads out to the back. So you've got entry to the back from the slider down here, and then also from the kitchen on the upper level. So it's a gorgeous day. So let's go check out the outside space. So this is your outdoor, part of your outdoor living space, and this is coming off of the kitchen French doors there. This is a 18 by 12 fully screened in addition they had put on. Fully screened in, I mean there's screen on the under the floor to prevent any bugs from coming up in here, so you've got fully screened. They also had, when they had this done, they had electric professionally run out here. So they've got electric running out here, which goes out to some floodlights, goes to some outdoor speakers, which convey. You've got speaker systems on this level and also your lower level that convey. Outdoor fan, nice shades to keep the sun down in the afternoon. You've got the sun that's going to come up off the back of the house. You've got the sun rising on your left and setting on your right. So you're going to have a lot of good full sun for the outside here. Then you come out to this area out here. This is an 18 by 6 unscreened area. Goes down to your lower deck, which is 21 by 23. The unscreened area decks they're all Trex material. Okay, your railings are treated wood, but all your top of your railings and all your decking is Trex. Your deck was made to go out to the pool area. You've got an above ground pool, which is 18 by 33 inches deep. Okay, a little over 3 feet, 3.5 feet, I guess it is. Just had a brand new liner put in the pool, above ground. And a nice, it's almost a little over 1/3 of an acre fenced in, fully fenced in lot back here. You've got a nice shed over there for any of your outdoor, your lawnmower and any equipment like that. One feature, when they built this home, they had a lot of additional features put in just for their comfort level. One is the concrete pad under that shed is full concrete. There's no gravel under there, so it's a full concrete pad under that shed. They also had 4-foot pilings put under the foundation on this house in order to secure no settling over the years, and it hasn't settled over the years. That's another feature they had done. You've got a concrete patio actually over there with a little fire pit off of the lower deck. It's a beautiful deck. I mean, there's plenty of room here for large gatherings, very large gatherings. And then, of course, the view. So you have a beautiful view of that's going to be your Catoctin mountain range there. This is the afternoon sun. It's about 4:30, so you've got afternoon sun out here today. And nice quiet neighborhood. So we've had a tour of 5 Furnace Court and got to see some of the inside a little bit more in detail than what pictures can show. And I hope you've enjoyed that. Some warranties that we have left on this property. They had a 25-year shingles on the roof were replaced about 9 years ago. Okay, that's fairly new. Just had a brand new Train heating and air conditioning system put in this year, 2016. That's new. I mentioned the garage door and the opener. They're also fairly new. The heating and air conditioning, and that's about it. Didn't talk about the attic, and I want to mention this, even though we're outside at this point. Pull downstairs, go up into the attic, and it's fully floored up there. With storage shelves actually built in. So it's a lot of good storage up in the attic area too. And so the owners have been just meticulous about taking care of this property, and you'll see when you come to visit. So you're more buyers that have a higher standard of what they're purchasing. This is a house to come see. It will not disappoint, I guarantee you. So I appreciate you watching the tour. My name's Kim Clever. I'm with Long & Foster. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a shout, 443-604-4162, or have your buyer's agent set up a showing. We'd appreciate it. Have a great day.